A supplemental training video for bills and ticket operations, but this time on the terminal handheld, focusing on the beer tubs. Since they are using the handheld devices, they are using our standard mode, not our bar mode, which looks and operates a little bit differently, but overall a little bit more simple. So in this case, when you are naming a new bill, here we are actually going to use the tickets button at the bottom of the screen. Simple, very similar to what we had on orders on the register. Here we do not have a plus, we simply have a new ticket button in the right corner. It will do the same thing. We are going to do terminal test to name the ticket. Notes are optional, and when you click save, it'll bring you right back. Now there's no immediate indication that you are in a ticket other than it now says save ticket down here. This is your indication that you're currently in one. Here, very simple, we're adding items to our ticket. We simply click on what we're adding, and here it will show you how many items you have currently on that ticket. Here, if we want to make sure that we have what we want on there, we can review sale. This will bring it here. Similar to what we did on the register, to add a discount to an item, we click into that item. There's no check mark, but it brings you to a similar list, and you would simply just turn on the discount you want to have applied. We are not using the comp item this year, unless the operations team tells us otherwise. When you're happy with your selection, you click save, and you will now see the little ticket showing that this item has been discounted. If we need to add a discount to the whole ticket, as if we are closing it out, we are going to come down to add discount at the bottom of the list here. Similar to what we did before, pick the appropriate one that we have, non-alc drink ticket. It has now been discounted the whole thing. We are down to 0, and we can close off that ticket by charge with cash. This is fine. Now here, if the customer wants an emailed receipt, sure. Otherwise, you're clicking new sale to go back to, it'll default to your tickets page. To get just back to the main screen, to move on to the next normal sale, click on the X. We are back to our favorites grid. Similar to what we had going with the previous, to keep an eye as to the size of the tickets. When you are in a ticket, I'm just going to add a whole bunch of things in here, and we are going to save a ticket. We do not need necessarily to review. So if you do want to review, make sure that is correct. You can back out and go back to our item selection screen, but we can save this ticket without needing to take payment. Now here, the difference is it will not show the amount of items that are currently in this ticket, but it will show the dollar amount for what we have in that ticket currently. What we have on the beer tubs is that short cans and bottled water. Bottled water is $4, short cans is $10. If we keep an eye closely on the amount that is in the ticket, if we want to be conservative with it, as we approach approximately 2,500 or 3,000, that is when we want to start closing off these tickets on the beer tubs. So 3,000 is going to be your conservative amount that we want to close that down. Okay, we will be revisiting another video shortly. Thanks, guys.